Hello, today we're going to take a look at LS First Hospitality for Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Specifically, we'll look at the back office functionality, the way we build items, ingredients, recipes, and deals, how they are formatted in the back office, and ultimately how they are pushed into the point of sale. And finally, take a quick look at modifiers. First, we'll get started. We're taking a look at the restaurant management workspace that comes with LS First. The restaurant management workspace allows product managers to manage their products, their ingredients, their recipes, their deals, all in one specific workspace, just as there are other workspaces in Dynamics 365 F&O. What we're looking at currently is the ingredient list. So as part of the solution of LS First, we can build recipes that are used in the point of sale. So to that end, first we create ingredients. So a list of ingredients makes up a recipe. Recipe then creates a finished good. In this case, perhaps if we go to the recipe function, we can see our chicken burger. And then finally, we can create deals, which may contain our finished recipes, right? Or specific ingredients, say French fries or a drink that's an individual item. We'll take a quick look at the recipes here. If I open up my chicken burger, we're going to see kind of how the LS First technology builds on the bill of materials production functionality in D365. What we're seeing here on our header is actually the item number, which is our chicken burger. You can see the photo that's associated with our chicken burger, our product number. All of these pieces flow into reporting when we consume them in the point of sale, right? We sell them, create accounts receivable, we consume the inventory associated to this specific finished goods. So that's our finished good, the chicken burger in total, right? So if I click back over to the lines of the bill of material, we can see that our chicken burger consists of many components, right? A hamburger bun, chicken fillet, lettuce, spices, mayonnaise, pickles, so on. Right. So we've actually added a number of things to a recipe that in other videos you'll see the chicken burger in the ingredients line when the modifier screen loads in the point of sale. You'll see that recipe enumerated on the point of sale, and we can actually make changes to that point of sale. That's the functionality, the flexibility that LS First brings to Dynamics 365. One of the other things I wanted to note in the bill of materials, the recipe functionality that is LS First. For each one of the lines, again, the lines are the individual ingredients. The ingredients make up the chicken burger in this case, the recipe. We have parameters for hospitality in the point of sale. So we can allow or not allow changes to the product. So in this case, we have spices, right? We have a min and max quantity. So what does that mean? What it allows us to do for this recipe, for the specific ingredient, set a minimum quantity so that when we modify the recipe in the point of sale, it will only allow the cashier, the waiter or waitress to decrease the quantity of spices down to a quantity of 1. So that tells us that in this chicken burger recipe, 1 quantity of spice is required to make a chicken burger, right? We also have a max quantity, so we can only add 5 times spices to this specific recipe. Okay, so we can do that for each one of these ingredients. So if I go to light mayonnaise, for example, we can see that we have the same kind of limit set for mayonnaise. Mayonnaise required on this specific ingredient recipe. So very, very flexible, very functional, extends all of this functionality into the point of sale. Okay, so next we'll actually click back over to our restaurant management workspace. And we'll take a quick look at deals. So I'm going to click on my chicken burger deal, right? So we took a look at the ingredients. We looked at the chicken, how the chicken burger is created. Now we're going to look at a deal that involves our chicken burger. So here again, bill of materials technology, right? But in this case, we actually have a finished good, right? So this is, if you remember, our finished chicken burger. I'll just highlight over the product, and you can see again the photograph, the LS 2001 item number associated with our chicken burger, all the same from the recipe I just showed you, right? So all of those ingredients roll up into the chicken burger. Chicken burger then rolls into this deal. So for this base deal, we have the chicken burger, we have French fries, and we have cola. So for each one of these, if I scroll down here once again and click on my hospitality tab, right, I have to set a number of parameters in the point of sale. Once again, I can change the hospitality details, right? So I can make changes to the deal for the chicken burger individually. I can, the base quantity is 1, right? And the caption is burger for the specific deal. So fries, kind of the same layout, cola the same, right? So with this deal, right, and again back to our recipes, the chicken burger, I can assign modifier groups to each one of these to allow me to make changes to both the recipe, right, to the deal, or to both. Okay, so we'll take a look at that next. If I scroll down to my restaurant management module here, we go to my modifiers and my modifier groups. Okay, what we see here is our specific sauces group. So we have a modifier group for sauces, right? We have barbecue, mayonnaise, all of these different options to add to our ingredients. So modifier groups can be assigned to individual items, or they can be assigned to recipes, right? In the same breath, we can actually create modifier groups and assign them to deals, so that when we add a specific item to a deal, it will offer different options for those sides, right? So perhaps we have a large and a small side fry, or perhaps we have different sorts of sides. So maybe we have cheese curds as an option for side instead of French fries. So we can add those groups. We can put those as part of the deal. Again, giving complete flexibility in the LS First solution for conversational ordering at the point of sale. If you have questions, if you'd like a demonstration, if you'd like to reach out and talk to us further about LS First, on the screen you'll see our contact information. I'm the guy in the center. Eric Miller is our consulting director, and Jason Patrick is our regional vice president here in the United States. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. You can visit us at lsretail.com/products/LS First Hospitality. Thank you very much. Have a good day.